Hi friends, today we're going to look at a new website. This website's called Padlet, and Padlet lets us do all kinds of really fun things. Today we're going to be making a RAN chart on here. Now, our new unit is all about bats, so we're going to make a RAN chart on bats. So we've got our title, bats, and we have our three columns, what we think we know, new learning, and misconceptions. We're going to start in the what we think we know column as we're getting ready to learn about bats. And I've already made my first post. Now you're going to think about the categories when you're going to be using for your graphic organizer as you enter these, because that'll make it a little bit easier later on. So I wrote a fact about something that bats look like. I put bats have finger bones like people, and I found a picture that matches those words. See, you can see those finger bones. Now let me show you how to make a post. So you're going to just click on this add button, and now you're going to pick your title. Now that's going to be your category. So bats, let's do bats eat this time. Bats eat. And I'm going to write something that I think I know about bats and their eating habits. So bats like to eat fruit, because I think I've read that before. Now, if I want to add a picture, I'm going to click on this magnifying glass and see if I hover over that, it says Google. And if I'm going to click on it, my Google's going to come up over here to the right. Now it already knows that I'm writing about bats and what they eat. So I'm going to scroll down here and find one that I like. Oh, look at this guy. Doesn't he look hungry? And he's eating some fruit. Okay. So if I drag that down, look, there he is eating his fruit. Okay. So it's as simple as that. I've added a post. I've entered my title. I've entered my fact. Now there's something else you can see up here. You'll be able to see other people's posts. And look down here at the bottom of this post, add a comment. If I want to add a comment to somebody else's post, all I have to do is click right here. Now, this one says bats have finger bones like people. And so I might add a question. I might add some more information. This time I think I'm going to add a question. Do bats have 4 fingers and a thumb? So I've added a question. Okay? And did you see when I was finished, I just clicked the arrow button, and now we've got a comment we can go back and look at. So it's as simple as that to add a post. You're just going to click on this add button, and to add a comment to someone's, or maybe I want to go back and add more information to mine. Maybe I thought of something after I already entered it, and I can just go back and I can add it to that comment. Okay? So, in your stations, when you get your iPad or it's time for you to be on the computers, you can go in and you can make a couple of posts about things you think you know about bats. All right, let's have fun.